You're looking at one of the best kept secrets in Manatee County. This is the Robinson Preserve. 600 acres of protected wetlands tucked between neighborhoods, the bay, and the road everyone uses to get to the beach. Most people drive right past this and never realize it's here. And then there's a reason the locals fought to protect it. You're about to see why. Let's go explore it from the ground up. Robinson Preserve didn't always look like this. It was agricultural land, drained, worked, and waiting for whatever came next. Developers looked at it and the plans were drawn, and the community said, no, we're keeping this wild. The county stepped in, partnered with environmental groups, restored the wetlands, and brought the water flow back. Then they created miles of trails and boardwalks instead of roads and rooftops. Right inside the entrance, you'll see this old Victorian-style home. Little details that remind you this part of Bradenton grew up slow. Generations built lives here, and instead of wiping it all out, the community worked around it. That's why this whole area has character, not just development. This is the nest, part of the preserve's expansion, where kids climb, learn, and get excited about the outdoors again. Within 10 minutes of Robinson Preserve, you can hit Anna Maria Island, the Palma Sola Causeway, historic Cortez Fishing Village, and riverfront restaurants. Nature, water, and community. This is why people move here, but don't leave. When you come back up here after walking the Robinson Preserve, the view makes more sense. You see preserved wetlands instead of condos. You see neighborhoods that still feel like neighborhoods, and a coastline that reminds you what Florida living is all about. This is where people walk after long days, teach their kids to respect nature, and remember what old Florida truly feels like. Days like this explain why people fall in love with this coast. It's peaceful, it's accessible, and it's hiding in plain sight. I'm Sherry Castro. This is the American dream. Real people, real places, and real stories.